In Sweden's industrial heartland in the center of Gothenburg is the largest science park in the country, Lindholmen. Located here is Chalmers' Stena Industry Innovation Lab.
Stena Industry Innovation Lab is a testbed within Production 2030, and in this testbed we are focusing on collaborative robots and final assembly. And we are doing this drone here in this drone factory, and we want to do a real product in order to illustrate hardware and software within this lab.
The drone factory is a realistic production system with a real product that includes the whole supply chain. Components are ordered from subcontractors performing milling, vacuum forming and additive manufacturing. The components are then turned into products through internal logistics and final assembly.
PTC support the drone factory with software. The software is used both for the digital definition, but also the digital definition of the process of building the drone.
When manufacturing gets more complex, operators need better support. This can come in different types of work instructions, personalized to the operator's own individual needs and preferences. Here at SIILab, we try out 3 different types of instructions that support the operators in different ways.
With a completely digitized product design process, assembly instructions can be created automatically directly from the 3D models. The drone factory is a digital factory, where the physical system is modeled both as sensor data and as cyber-physical models, created in a game environment.
My work mostly focuses on to find out how manufacturing industry can benefit from the latest advancement in AR and VR. So for example, how to use virtual reality for factory layout planning or for training, as well as using augmented reality to support operators in maintenance or assembly tasks.
The drone factory adopts a modularized and event-driven system architecture. We use the Internet of Things platform ThingWorks to create virtual model of our physical systems, and we interconnect them and orchestrate the right data to the right place. In that way, we can create a very flexible production system.
Collaborative robots are designed to work alongside human operators. They are very easy to program and light in weight, so they can move around quickly and easily. We in SIILab use collaborative robots to show how we can enable a higher degree of flexibility in production systems.
Technology alone is not enough to unlock the full potential of digitized production. The organization and the people within the factory need to be knowledgeable, empowered, and motivated to share information and knowledge. Both the people and the technologies are enablers for the 4th industrial revolution.